Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's travel vlog time. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Mall of Asia. The big and most popular mall in Asia. Let's go! So yan guys, kasama ko na sila. Gagora na kami sa mall. So, arat na!
At dito naglalakad na kami papuntang Sakayan. Ayan. At dito nag-aabang na kami ng jeep na masasakyan papuntang UN. At nang makasakay nga kami, nag-antay na lang kami saan kami ibababa ni Kuya dahil hindi namin alam ang exact place. Hanggang sa nakasakay na kami ng bus. Ayan. Sobrang hilo ko dyan mga Mars. Hilong-hilo kami dyan. Hanggang sa nakarating na kami ng Pedro Hill. At dire-diretso na. At sa parting ito, malapit na kami sa MOA. At Think Alaya Mall na yan. So dyan, sobrang hilo ko na. Sobrang tagal namin sa bus. So, grabe. So, worth it naman yung pupuntahan namin. Kaya nag-antay na lang kami. At nakarating na nga kami sa Mall of Asia. Ayan, nakita na namin ang pangmalakasang global wall ng Mall of Asia. So, yan, nakasakay pa kami sa bus. Hindi pa kami nakakababa. Kasi, umiikot pa yung bus. So, meeting kami dyan. Excited na talaga kami dyan bumaba. As in, parang gusto namin magpara. The Museo de MOA, or the Mall of Asia, is inaugurated in 2025. It's a primary historical picture showcasing Philippine independence, heroes and flags, origins. Established in 2006, the SM Mall of Asia itself is a modern landmark with historical highlights including the hosting the first Olympic-sized skating rink noong 2006 and the 2019 SEA Games hockey tournament. Museo de MOA is a dedicated space in the mall for the Philippine heritage, showcasing the origins of the Philippine flag and national heroes. Flag status is inaugurated as one of the world's largest malls. It signifies the growth of SM Prime Holdings from a small shoe store in 1958. The Globe Maze or MOA Globe symbolizes the mall international status, while the MOA Sky, formerly Sky Garden, offers a modern take on public spaces, inaugurated in 2023. The SM Mall of Asia Arena, opened in 2012, is a hub for a major cultural and sports events, including the 2019 SEA Games. The MOA football pitch recently held cultural events like the Turnocon Palaro, blending passion with Philippine heritage. Yun lang, ginabi na tayo sa uwi. Hanggang sa muli, aking mga kaibigan. Paalam!